Uh, Hi, I'm Daniel. Oh! And I'm playing Happy Wheels today. By the title. Oh! Dang it. This is not my first time playing, but it's my first time playing on the YouTube. So, hope you guys like it. Oh, come on, Pogo Pete. Oh! Oh. Oh, he's still alive! You don't need a butt and a face. Oh, I don't want to do this again. Hold on. Survive, my brother. Catch roll 1, 2, 3. Not survive, my brother. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, you just stepped in the butt. I'm gonna be a spawn. Oh, yeah. Karate Man, you suck, Karate Man. Oh. My God. Irresponsible dad. There's a sword coming out of the stomach. What? Oh, I jumped over you, sucker. Oh. Alright. Katana throw by Mohawk FPS. My second level. Got those katanas behind you and throw this in. Right? Enjoy my level. So good. Oh, Santa. Hi, Santa. Santa. Ooh. Oh, that was sword was. Yeah. Kill him. Oh, Santa. Sorry. Please to give me a present. You're on the naughty. No, I'm not. Did I win? I think I won. Okay, I'm about to play for about 30 more seconds. Wait, what? I didn't click that one again. Ultimate Pogo Test by Pro Player 2. I did this one. Oh. No, I already did this one. Why is it more down? Harpoon ball. Here we go. Harpoons! Oh. Son, last one. Oh, failure. Justin Bieber. Oh, Stewie Griffin. Oh, I thought that said wiener. So how am I a wiener? I don't even like hot dogs. That's a lie. I love hot dogs and hamburgers. Okay. So that's all it. Wait, one more time. Okay. Oh, about to fail miserably. Yep, I'm dead. Thanks for watching. It is this is probably the first of many I'm gonna make Happy Wheels. So thanks for watching. Oh, here's my camera guy. Hey. My sister.